By only making simple replies right now, you can actually start making exactly similar amount to how I'm making right here with CPA marketing. And guys, all you need to do is to watch the video to learn this strategy right now and make money online. If you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I make videos on ways you could make money online, and if you like such content, there are a lot of videos right now on my channel that shows you how you could actually go into making money online. You could also hit the like button and make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that you go always get alerted whenever I do release much more videos to help you make extra income online right now. So with that being said, guys, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. And guys, in today's video, we're going to be utilizing a very cool strategy or a very cool CPA marketing platform called CPAGrip. And you can create an account on this platform. Do click on register to do so, be brought to this page, and provide your details on all the fields with the red asterisk signs before then agreeing to the terms of service by checking these boxes out and click on register now. Once your account has been created, you can then go on to log in into your account. So guys, once you actually do log into your account, you will be brought to a page that will look similar to this by coming onto the offer tools section. Select my offers right now and you'll be brought to this page right here. You can actually go on to filtering your offers to any demographic of your choice, but it is quite important to select the United States because the website we're going to be utilizing to get traffic to our CPA marketing offers gets most of its traffic from the United States. You can actually then go on to filtering your offers to select offers that are actually do having a very cool payout. You can see right here that if I do go on to selecting a cool sweepstake offer like this one that gives out about $2,500 cash giveaway to my leads or to my targets, and my leads need to come from the United States. They need to also use an Apple iOS device and submit an email address or zip code while going through a simple survey, and I'm just going to utilize this simple affiliate link to promote the offer. And for every lead I get, I'm going to get paid this amount right now. All you need to do is to copy the link to this particular landing or to this particular offer and create a simple landing page utilizing any landing page builder site. You can see that this is a very cool platform you could utilize right here called the Systeme.io. You could also go into utilizing platforms like Google Sites right now. As you can see, if I do go into opening this page right now, you'll be able to see how cool this simple landing page I created with the help of this particular platform called the Google site right here. You can see how cool the landing page is. If I do copy the landing page link right now and actually paste that right here on this tab, you'll be able to see how amazing the landing page is actually going to go on to looking like. And you can see right now I'm promoting multiple CPA marketing offers with just this simple landing page. All you need to do is to create an amazing landing page, and to create one right here, you can actually check out my channel right here. If you're finding it difficult to create one, come onto my channel OJ Marketing, and you want to just simply click on the search icon and go on to typing in landing page. If you do type in landing page right now, you'll be able to see some cool videos I created for you that shows you how you can easily go on to creating landing pages on various landing page builder sites out there. You can see right here, this is with Systeme.io, this is with Google Sites, this is with Breezy Cloud, this is with Google Sites also, this is with Webflow, and the list keep going on and on. So check out each video and create simple and professional landing pages that could help you get better conversions to your CPA marketing offers. Then you can actually then go on to promoting the offer utilizing a very cool strategy. And the platform which we're going to be utilizing today is this platform called Quora.com. This is an amazing platform which, if you do analyze with the similar web statistics, you will see that Quora right here gets about 780.2 million visits in just the last 28 days. That's actually quite a huge amount of traffic which Quora actually got. Going on to the country that actually visit the website the most, you can see right that the United States constitutes of about 42% of this website traffic. That is actually a huge amount of percentage right now, which is why we are promoting the United States offers. Now, to actually promote your offer on the platform, all you need to do right now is to actually come right here to this section, and you want to just simply go to searching for questions that are actually kind of related to that particular niche which you're focusing on. Maybe if I'm actually focusing on a giveaway niche right now, I can actually go to searching for something like how to save money, or how to make money, or make money online. So if I do go to searching for how to save money, so if I do search for this right here, which is how to save money, as you can see, you can actually do see a lot of questions right here. As you can see, these questions are what are the best way to save money. You can see this one, what are some money saving tips. This one says, what are some lifestyle changes that save money. You can actually keep on scrolling through. There are lots of questions. All you need to do right now is just simply to go on to copy the questions right here, and you want to just simply provide answers to this question just by using a simple strategy. Copy the question, head on to ChatGPT right now, paste that particular question, and make sure you do put in the question in quotes. So once you've inserted the question right now, you could just simply go on to add in a text such as this that says, write the answer in 150 words and add the website link, or add my website link at the end of the answer, where they will find some giveaway to win cash prizes. And if you do that right now, you could just simply click on enter right now, and you can see right now it's going to go on to providing a basic answer right here. And you could also see right here a section that is actually provided for you to insert your link right now. So all you need to do is to just simply come right here, and you could just simply copy this text right now, head back to that particular Quora post, click on answer right now, and you could then just simply go on to paste in your answer right here. You can also see the section right here that says check out your website link or check out my website. I could just simply put this as check out my website. So I'm going to remove this link section, and right here this section that says my website, I'm just going to go on to highlighting this right now. Click on this alphabet icon, click on the chain icon, and you want to paste in the link to that particular CPA marketing offer or the particular landing page right here in this section. So guys, once you do paste in that right here, click on add, and that will be added right here. As you can see, for any person that do clicks on this section that says my website, is automatically going to take them to your CPA marketing offer or your landing page directly. All you need to do next is just simply click on post, and this will actually be posted on this particular platform. So basically you want to just simply head back right there and actually go on to providing answers to as many questions as you can, utilizing the similar strategy right now, and go on to getting a lot of traffic to your CPA offers, because as a lot of people will be reading those content, a lot of people will be also clicking on the link to go on to completing or checking out that particular website, and also gain access to your CPA marketing offers. Complete that and you do make money right here. So this is a simple strategy I advise you to take advantage of right now. And if the video did add some value, do hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. So guys, we could also utilize another cool and amazing platform right here for this strategy also. We could utilize this platform called theanswers.com right here. This works similar to that particular platform called Quora. All you need to do is to come right here, paste in your questions right now, and just simply go on to searching for questions related to that, and you'll be able to see or go on to giving some cool answers right there to such questions utilizing the same strategy. So that's it for now. See you on in my next video, and goodbye.